Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making Banga Seed. If this is your first time in my channel, kindly consider subscribing and click on the notification button. For the list of ingredients, please click on the description below. So let's get cooking. I'll start by adding the extracted Banga juice into the pot and I'll bring it to a boil. Add Banga Spice. This is store-bought Banga Spice, so you can blend yours. Then I'll add dry pepper and cook for 4 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add my stockfish, my Kpomo and Shaki, and cook it for 5 minutes. It depends on how soft your Shaki and Kpomo is. That will determine how long you cook it for. This is nice. Now I'll add my crayfish, seasoning cube, then I'll stir it properly. And I'll add periwinkle to it and cook for another 4 minutes. Already half done. Now I'll add salt to the soup and stir it and also taste it a bit. I'll add my fresh catfish. I prefer not to season the fish with salt separately. Rather, I add the salt before putting the fish in the soup, so that as the soup simmers, the fish absorbs salt from the soup and it tastes better. I'm going to cook this for another 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'll add my dry scent leaf. You can use fresh one or bitter leaf, but for today this is my preference. I'm using dry scent leaf for it. Then I'll test the soup to see if I need to add more salt, but this is just fine. So I'm going to cover it and let the dry scent leaf hydrate just a little bit. So I'll cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Wow, here is our Banga soup. And we're done. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and leave me a comment below. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.